Hello all, I just wrapped an introductory talk with a large financial institution based in Dubai Financial Center. And the introductory talk was about a system that I built that can help bankers perform better and build powerful bridges with their clients, utilizing on concepts from neuro-linguistic programming and hypnosis. You see, in NLP, we believe that our performance in any venue in life is linked to the state choice we're in, or the state we rather be in at the moment we're performing. What does that system do is give bankers a state choice that can fire up automatically, or trigger rather automatically, when they're meeting their clients, when they're writing a report or pricing an option or doing a cold call or even delivering a speech. So utilizing the concepts from that system, they can either through workshops with me or one-to-one sessions, they can begin to access these resourceful states that would help them in their daily job, allowing them to perform better throughout the day. Thank you. See you later.